This is your instruction video for the second page of the journal packet. It is comparing and ordering decimals. I'm going to go ahead and take this page off. You will need this work page. This has to be done and turned in for grade. I'm just going to set it aside for now. Okay, I want you to take just a minute and color this. I do not want you to color this big square. We need to be able to write on it. Do not color the big square. You may color your title, these pages here, and this little pocket, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. Okay, now I have my pieces colored. You'll notice that on this one I only colored this one spot. That's because we're gonna glue these other pieces and you won't be able to see them. Next, I want you to cut out all your pieces, only cutting around the outside, making sure to leave all of your tabs attached. So you're only cutting around the outside. Okay, in your journal, you are still behind your decimal tab. This needs to go in your decimal section of your journal. The first thing I want you to do, is glue down your title. Okay, so you're gonna take your title, I was going the wrong way, and glue it down. Okay, next, take this square, the one I told you do not color. Okay, it says align the numbers on the, we're gonna say decimal. We want our decimals to line up. Fill any empty place values with zeros. Okay, if you want to draw your ghost so you can remember that it's your phantom zeros, you may do that. Okay, start with the greatest place value. Okay, when we're comparing, we want to start with our biggest place value. Then we're going to move right, okay? And you can draw the right arrow if you want to, but it's already here for you, okay? So move right until you find a different digit, okay? So on our example, it has 3s both in the ones place. They match. Then 4s both in the 10ths place. Those match. Our 9 and our 8 don't match. That's how we are able to figure out which one is the largest one. So then we're going to say, then compare using those digits. The digits that don't match. Okay, the digits that don't match. All right, now glue this down. Okay. Okay, now watch me with this piece. You want this color on the outside. You're gonna fold inward, okay? Then you're gonna fold the other one in. Now fold this last one over. So it looks like this. Okay, be careful when you glue because this is a pocket you want it to open. So you only want to get glue on these little bitty tabs. Only get glue on these little tabs. It's a little tricky with a glue stick, but you can do it, okay? Now fold it over like this. Now it's a little pocket. Okay? On the side that I did not color, this square side, I'm going to put some glue and I'm going to glue it down right here. Okay? Next, cut this into one strip. This should be one piece. Then cut these numbers apart on the black lines. Okay. Okay, now look. Put these in one neat little stack and then put them in your pocket. See how they fit? Now this piece, fold in, okay? And on one you're gonna put the greater than symbol and one you're gonna put the less than symbol. It doesn't matter which order you do it in. Okay, and then while it's folded up, I'm gonna glue it down. Okay, so look, I got one symbol. When I, have another one when I open it, and then when I open it all the way, there's my equal. So one symbol, open is equal. Okay, so it's a little game for your journal. If you look, you can put one number here, but don't glue them, and one number here. Okay, is this true? No. But that's true. Okay, so it's a little game. You can play it with your partner if you want, with a partner. All right, I will be coming around to check and make sure you've done these correctly. This is your last part of this assignment. It needs to be completed and turned in. On the first side, you're estimating and adding, okay? So on this first one, let's do it together. If I look, remember how we did before? Okay, this is somewhere in between 3 and 4. It's gonna be closer to 3. This next one's somewhere in between 4 and 5. Look at my 5s. Okay, it's closer to 5. So I'm going to do 3 plus 5 equals 8. That's my estimation. Over here, I'm actually going to solve it. Okay, you may do this on scratch paper. Just make sure you attach your scratch paper when you turn this into the turn-in drawer. Okay, so this is going to be 17. Carry my 1. 8, 9. Bring down my decimal. 3, 7. Look how close my actual answer is to my estimation. Okay, on the next one, you're writing your estimate down here. Again, you may do this on scratch paper, filling in greater than or less than symbols. Then you have 2 word problems, okay? On the back, you have several word problems. Decimals and money go hand in hand, friends. Decimals and money go hand in hand. So that is what this side is. It's talking about money, real world applications for the math we do in our class. So you're taking what you know about decimals and applying it to money. Use your journal if you need help. Turn this in when you're finished.